Do you want to know how you can change the address of your location in your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your address in your Temu account. Go ahead and open temu.com on your Chrome or OS browser and hover around your profile, which is on the top right hand corner. Now you can see addresses over here, which is the map button. Click on address and you can say there is an option of adding a new address. So if you want to add a new address, go ahead and click add a new address. Select your country, select your name, and then you can search for your address. Go ahead and search for your address, or you can see that there is option of searching it manually. So if you search it, you can see that it is automatically added over here. Now write down your apartment unit number and then write down your zip code, write down your state, city, and your phone number. After writing all of these, click save and you can see that you have added a new address. Now you can set it as default by clicking on this set as default button, and you can edit and change the locations by simply clicking on edit. You can see that now you can change your country or region, full name, address, street address, apartment number, zip code, state, city, and phone number. After you change this, click save and your location or your address in your Temu account will be changed successfully. I hope this video about how you can change your address in your account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.